Welcome back to Takreem for another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how can we create a PID inside Honeywell DCS. In our previous tutorials, we have already made analog input, and now we will need to create one analog output because this is required for a PID. So to create an analog output, we will go to New, go to Control IO modules, and CC. Click on analog output of 16 channel. This box will appear in front of you. Give this analog output a specific name which you want. There is a module type description. You can assign any associated asset. You can give IOM location, give IOM number. I'll give number of 2. The rest of the properties we will not change anything. Click OK. Before clicking OK, I want to show you one more thing. If this module is redundant, you can click this option, but right now we don't have a redundant module. Click OK and the module is created. You can drag and drop in any IO link to the top, and here we go. We have created an analog output module and assigned it to IO link. Now we will need to download this AO module, but before to download this IO module, let's create a control module for PID. Right click in project assignment window, select new control module, click control module, and a new window will appear. Double click and rename this. Give it a specific name like PSL. Let's say it's a level controller LIC, and give it any description. And you can give engineering units for description, level for separate, or whatever the description you'd like to have. Alarming is enabled. You can click OK. Click Control S and the module will be saved, and you can see the module is created on the right side. PSL1 underscore LIC01. Close this container and drag and drop to control execution environment. Here we go. So we have created control module and also the analog output. Now let's open the control module and start creating our loop. Go to the library on the left bottom side. Search for regulatory control, regctl. Inside it you will find PID. Drag and drop to the control module, and you will see that PID is dropped in your module. From the right side you can drop an AO channel and give it a specific name, PSL underscore LV. Click OK. From the left side in the library, you can find data acquisition, drag and drop. Now we have one analog input, so we want to connect that analog input with our data acquisition. So first of all, we will do some connection between the data acquisition and the PID. So we will connect the PV with the PV of PID by clicking on the wire, click on PV and click on PV of PID. Click on wire, click on OP and click on OP of LV, the analog output. And now we have connected these important elements. Now let's connect the level transmitter which we have already made. Now to connect our level transmitter, we will need to click on parameter connector. Click on P1, double click anywhere in the control module. Click on 3 dots. First select your relevant point, which is LT in our case. Then select the parameter which is PV and click OK. Now you can see that we have connected LT with the data acquisition. The data acquisition is connected with the PID and PID is connected with our AO. Now let's do some basic configuration inside PID. So first of all, I will select a set point. We can change set point from here or from outside. Let me give it 30 set point. Okay, and you can see that set point is selected. Now let us change some other stuff. Go to algorithm and you can select the control equation type from here. Equation A, equation B. You can select direct or reverse. Related to equations type, there will be another video which will explain these equation types in future. You can give it any p value. The linear overall gain is the p value. Let's say we will give it its point. And for I value integral time, you can give it inside T1 and let's say 0.1. It's in the minutes, or you can give whatever you want. We are just trying to give it any random value. Then again set point, we have already select the set point, and other properties will remain the same. Click OK. We are okay to go, and our PID loop is completed. Let us save this progress and go and load our AO module as well as our control module. Right click on the AO module and click load, click continue, and click the automatically change all control elements. Click OK, which is the AO is loaded. Now let's load the PID control module. Right click on control module and click load. Click automatically change state to active and click OK. Click continue, and here we go. We have loaded level controller, and let's activate this PID, the LIC PID, all items. Right click on PSL, go to activate, go to selected items and contents, click yes, and here we go. We have created a PID and loaded it successfully in Honeywell Experion PKS. Let's open this module and you can see the status. Thanks for watching our videos. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, drop your comments in below section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.